4 o'clock me out this morning and put out and then I take up back, something can go so.
Good morning, guys. So today's Monday and me and B, we wake up early from like 6 o'clock this morning, and we just decided that we're gonna like pack out the rest I brought them with the food and help and distribute, know what I have and give who I'm giving stuff to, so then that can come off of me. So this is what we did. B, you want to say good morning?
Good morning.
And tell them how hard you worked this morning.
Yeah, because I wake me up before time.
B, who wake up who this morning?
You wake me up.
Who wake up who this morning?
You wake me up.
B, who wake up who this morning?
You wake me up because I won't say it.
Guys, it wake me up this morning, so then we just get up. So here's so I pack up everything like my tongue, then peanut butter, salt, peas, condensed milk, ramens, macaroni, cornmeal, rice there, so sugar and flour, little cleaning supplies, oil, ketchup, jelly, mayonnaise, some tuna, tin, herring, spam, how this, corn, peas, mixed veg, and then yeah. So now, yeah. You're not for worry, you know that. So now I'm gonna distribute them now and put them in these bags. So yeah. Guys, we're in the supermarket just buying a little bit of stuff. Want some like water, cranberry juice, well, flavored juice. I know franks and egg and some little six nuts or whatever. I remember I already brought down stuff in that barrel. So yeah, supposed to be here. Be out. Chicken franks. Be at Grace more.
Huh?
Your Grace?
I love you.
I look you guys. Look at my man, look nice and clean. Yeah.
No,
Tissue.
yes, a tissue.
Yeah. B, I told you the chicken franks are right there, so. My in-law chopped cane for me. I hope it's sweet. B, you know if it's trip cane?
Yeah. How much money, my talk?
It can't sweet? Are you not trying none?
Yes, sweet.
B, you can hold it better. B, you don't know how YouTube works. So.
I never saw me have it.
Boom. Have a look, guys. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna sell gas. I'm gonna fill this right there. So if it's $6.50, right here is $500. So that's $6.50 a while. So I'm gonna get my tools. This. I'm pushing at this. And then this part, you're gonna put on the ground like so. Make sure you get on the ground and then you just shake. Shake. And then if you come out. Wait, no people mix. Wait. And then if you come out. I'm embarrassing myself on YouTube. Why not something this? Oh, there you go. It a run. You have to, because you said it a run, B. And the mega carry, right, Tessa?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
I know, so them are.
look who doesn't want to sit in the back of the car, sitting in the front with me. But we're not going far still, just like about 5 minutes. We're going to my mother-in-law. I'm going to drop off something. I'm going to check our a little bit. And then we're going to go back home and go eat our dinner and bathe and go to bed. Just say hi to the vlog home. Hi guys! You wanna miss him?
The away man, they must say, come and call me and tell me a thing.
We there, no.
We go for my red wood.
You tell who?
Alright,
Let me tell you that.
Alright, good morning guys. So today's Tuesday, what is it, the 21st I think. About almost 6:30 now. I woke up from like 5 o'clock to get ready. I got listed. You know, go see what we can juggle and sell my stuff them because they said Tuesday is like a good time. I linsed it, so I'm gonna go now. My grandmother's already down there. I think she reached down there from like about 5 o'clock or 4:30 or so. And she said down there chilly, so she begged me to bring like one little sweater or whatever. So we're on our way now. I couldn't bother wet up my hair this morning because the water is too cold. So I just like comb my hair and put it in 2 pigtails. I mean, I guess I look like a little kid, but you know, I still go. I have nobody to impress. I'm tired. I want to sleep. But hopefully today is a better day. I just want to sell off all of my stuff them so I don't have to worry about it no more. And I can just enjoy the rest of my trip because by the time the queen is gone. So yeah, we're on our way to Linstead now. And I'll show you guys what's going on when I get there. Guys, Mr. Under. Reach and the place full up already. I have like no space anywhere. See y'all? And it's even 7 o'clock yet. Huh? See my granny sitting them here. Guys, one meat shop there right here, sir, in front of where we are still. And meat truck that come. But like, yeah, so then drive right there, so everybody have to go move up and everybody of course I say they should have come from morning. But we are gonna see if they can stop this and just take out and go all the way over there. I couldn't even get a chance to like pack up my sitting them nice and like put pair to pair because I said meat truck will come and at 9 o'clock now. They should have come from morning. My granny love cussing her, I swear. When it come to our money, my granny no play. She a cuss.
Hey, my friend, come in the strip. Just strip up, man. Come, we're in the strip. I'm here, we come in the strip. Hey, just take out the milk and go back home. Go right, we're in the strip.
Alright, they move me sitting Granny, you vexed?
Oh. What up is that this? What up is that? Too much talk out.
Granny, what time you come out this morning?
I got 4 o'clock me out this morning. I put out and then I take up back. Something can go so. I'm reaching from 4 o'clock. Some say when they pull out, I know they can't come out. That's why they come out. They can't come out. They can't come out and go in. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? No, say no. No, we're not passing the blood up. No, we're not taking it up. We're not passing it. No, but I'm not going to it's too hard.
Yes.
What? See meat there, then I take out there sitting. I'll go to probably teeth in meat, then go teeth. Ew, what they brought him. So they're not wearing gloves. Jesus Christ, that's what they deal with this. They're not cleaning it, aren't they? I wear gloves. But Jesus Christ. But yes, I go eat pork.
And when pork and chicken the pan and cook.
In their hand. Jesus Christ.
For your life, Miss Brother. I'll lock in there, man. I'll go with it. Yeah, that come.
In their hand. They're going to probably drop on the ground. I know if you see drop on the ground, they're probably going to take them same way, you know.
Where's it?
If you drop on the ground.
Let's offload.
No, sir. No man. Just a whole of this eating with the hand. No sir. I can't believe, but I still eat the meat same way. Alright, so guys, I was feeling a little bit down in the morning part because nobody wasn't buying anything. I had to bring down my prices them like a lot. Like my bathroom rug them was like $2.5 and bring it down to $2,000 and then like 18. But yeah, so you go. I just wanted to like sell out everything so that I have time for like me and babes or whatever. Some of the year, babes gone up eye holes to get the cloth because somebody want to buy it. Almost 4 o'clock now. Time I cool though. I just want to hurry up and go home because like I'm hot and tormented. But yeah, we're there here. I mean, it look like nothing are gone, but me sell a good amount of stuff.
Yeah.
Me just want everything for go.
Nah, one enough price.
See me. $1,000. And so me I come for market now. It is 6:30 and we're there at market from 6 o'clock this morning, so like 12 hours straight. I mean, in my mind, I never really used to pick up, but like me get 1 and 2 sale. I know me give God thanks regardless how small it is or whatever. Me and B, we're gonna try and stop it. The people don't want to hear the beeping. We're gonna try and come here out here tomorrow. As you can see, we're well packed up in our car. So we're just gonna leave everything in there and try to come out tomorrow morning. We just want to get rid of all of these stuff. We were gonna come tomorrow because B did have some like work to go do, but he's gonna try and do it tonight so we can't go tomorrow. So yeah, I'm thirsty, man. I try to get something for drink. And then we're about to go home now.
If in the full way you can't.
B, not argue with them people here, please. So what? This car wanna go in and then something. So we just park here in a jam. As you can see, Linstead well full, well busy. This I carry a full. This car wants to go in. B, I get cross. Oh guys, let me just say something. Babes is like so helpful. Like I swear, me have a good man. Like he take up everything. He didn't make me lift nothing at all. He made about what must have 10 trip up and down to the car to put in the it goods them and stuff.
Man, and a sound man them a blame.
Babes. B, you work a lot, don't? B, you're kind of vexed now, so you're not talk. B, you work a lot today, didn't you? B,
you wanna be a drive man.
Alright guys, he concentrated right now on the whole driving stuff, so we're not really in the mood to talk. We're just trying to get out of this jam. But yeah, we're about to go up now, shower and stuff, and B's gonna work. Alright, good morning guys. So don't mind my hair. I just woke up, bathed, and just like came out to market or whatever, and we come like about the same time as yesterday. Yesterday was super full, and then today nothing, no crowd, nothing. Me and B are just sitting here. We're waiting on my grandmother. She didn't reach down here yet. They said they were on their way, so we wait until they come so they can fix out for them, sitting and see what we're doing or whatever. And we don't want to take like nobody like space or whatever, so I'm just gonna make them deal with that. But yeah, we're here. I guess Wednesday daytime dead. Wait, today's Wednesday or Tuesday? Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. Oh my god, it's 1 week since I've been here, and I have 2 weeks left. Not even 2 weeks, like 2 and a little bit of days. Oh my goodness, the time I good on already. Today I just want to sell up everything. I was just telling B, say, yo, if it's sitting them now, I just want to sell everything for like look like nothing, like $500 and stuff, so I could just get that off of my mind. I spent time with him, but he said no, we're not going for that, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm just here waiting on my grandmother. Hopefully today will be a good day. I wanted to drive around and sell, but B said no, that probably won't work. You know, there's gonna burn too much gas or whatever. So he's the boss, so I'm not gonna make him just do what he's doing. Do you want to say good morning? You wanna say good morning?
Good morning. What, vlog?
Yeah.
B.
What? But B, I feel like from me come, we don't really talk to everybody and stuff. You got nothing you wanna say? Eh?
Not no.
You got something to say?
Why you ask me that?
Alright. Oh, I had to see Granny. Look funny Granny, hot foreigner.
You know, if you ever go look at one brother, before you call him go down. You ever last night?
And Granny, me didn't want to take that style there like old lady was or something there, but somebody done put something there.
What put it in there?
Me don't know when we come we see some stuff on it.
Right. I know they all sitting there.
Yeah, I was sitting.
You know, they all sitting there with people and left a ground people throw it on in.
You think so?
Yeah.
Granny, suppose that people Ray.
That's how people all sitting there.
Alright guys, we go left, we go buy food, stew chicken and food. So yeah, there I go eat this and then go fix up my stall. Good morning guys. So what's today? Thursday. Today's Thursday. We did not go to oh yeah, that looked better. We did not go to the market today because we just wanted to take this day to like do some stuff. B has some work he has to go do. So right now I'm gonna go make his breakfast and then prepare my stew peas. I'm gonna wash my peas and soak my pigtail them. So yeah. B, you wanna say good morning? Come on.
Just say good morning.
B, come on. Long time you know something there then. Come on.
What? Morning
Say
guys.
good morning.
B.
Talk to them now.
Say what?
I don't know. So like what you about to go do? What kind of work y'all go do?
Some work I'm gonna do today, B?
Yeah, some work, but like what are you gonna be doing? Like
String up a sound. I'm gonna string up a sound system.
anyways. Morning reverends. Nothing much there. So guys, yeah. B, can you look for a pot for me?
We have to have a breakfast.
Huh?
I look have a breakfast.
Edna Franks.
Do it.
Yeah.
Shanko.
So we make some Edna Franks. Yeah, I have to look for a pot now because like from me come here, I've been fed and everything cooked for me. So now I'm gonna go cook now. I don't know where none of the pots and stuff are at. B, come give me one frying pan now. And stuff. So yeah guys, I'm gonna make breakfast real quick and then soak my stuff them and then I'll talk back to you guys a little bit more. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just finished the breakfast. Before I even finish, I'll like share out everybody's food. B done take out feed already. So I'm about to eat mine. You know, bread with butter and the egg and the franks. And the cool splash. Can you open it, B? You got your breakfast?
Yeah, but what do you want inside?
What can I eat out here? You want fresh food?
One inside.
No. Why? Inside hot. Oh, well, you have somebody that can check you, you know what I'm busy?
Yeah.
So, me soak the peas and me wash off the pig still and soak it. So after I eat this, I'm gonna lie down and finish watch my movie. I was watching Netflix, Ride Along 2, I watch, so I'm gonna finish that. And then start cook while B go work on this song. So yeah. Talk to you later. Alright guys, so they just killed the goat, but I can't show you guys because like copyright on YouTube and I don't want to like, get in trouble, but he's getting skinned now. And there's like a lot of blood being washed away. Yeah. I feel bad, but he gonna taste good, so yeah. Alright guys, I finished the stewed peas, and here it is. I'm sorry I didn't do it before I ate, but I couldn't help myself. It is so good. Oh yeah, yeah. B still gone on the road. I work on his son. I called him and told him to come down for your food. So hopefully he come down and come eat and then hurry up and go back and finish what he's doing. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, finish watching one show, and then go shower off and stuff because I need to go visit my stepfather's family and go give them some stuff because I haven't seen them yet since I came down. So yeah.